Hello children, in this video we are going to discuss about the principal focus and the focal length of spherical lenses. So children, first we will start with convex lens. As we know, there are two spherical surfaces are there in convex and the concave mirror. So lenses have two focus, okay. So first we will start with first principal focus, which is represented by here f1, okay. So children, f1 according to the definition, suppose a point object is there, is this in this point, and the ray point which is coming from the point object here you can see are parallel to the principal axis. So children, and they will meet at infinity, okay. So for this we can define first principal focus as it is a position of point object on the principal axis of convex lens for which the image will form at infinity, okay. It is a position of point object on the principal axis for which image will form at infinity, okay. These two rays are parallel to the principal axis, so they will meet at infinity, okay. So for this case image will form at infinity, and the distance, like mirrors, in mirrors we will measure all the distances from pole, and in lenses we will measure all the distances from the optical center of lens. So the distance OF1, the distance of optical lens to the first principal focus is called the focal length of lens, and it is called the first focal length of lens. Now move to the second principal focus. So in this you can see the rays are coming from infinity which are parallel to the principal axis. So children, it is a position of image for which the object is at infinity. In this case object is at infinity and rays are coming from infinity after this lens is converging in nature, okay. So after refraction it will converge all the rays at one point, and this point is called focus, okay, second principal focus. So how will you define this? So second principal focus of convex lens is the position of image for which the object is at infinity, okay children. Now here also the distance OF2 is equals to small f2, which is the second focal length of lens. And children, for concave lens, so children you can see rays are coming obliquely which are not parallel to the principal axis, but both the rays will meet at f1, है ना. So it is a virtual position of object, it is not a real position. हमें यहाँ दिख नहीं रहा कि object कहीं है, ठीक है. They appears to come from this point, it is not a real situation, okay. So how will you define this? So the first principal focus of concave lens is the virtual position of point object for which the image will form at infinity, okay. And in this case also, if the object is as at infinity and rays are coming from infinity which are parallel to the principal axis, and when the rays are incident on the concave lens, so after refraction it will diverge the rays, and when we extend both the diverging rays in this direction, they will meet at this point. It appears to come from f2, okay. This is also a virtual situation. So we will define second principal focus of concave lens, it is a virtual position of image when the object is at infinity, and similarly OF2 is the focal length of mirror. So children, this is all about the first principal and the second principal focus of spherical lenses. Thank you.